For decades, robots were amazing at backflips, but terrible at thinking. They were dumb machines that needed strict code. But that just changed. Engineers have finally plugged the AI brain into the robot body. The result? Humanoid robots that can listen, understand, and learn tasks just by watching us. The AI robot era isn't coming. It's here. The race is on. Tesla's Optimus is designed to replace factory labor, learning to sort parts and handle eggs delicately. Figure 01, powered by OpenAI, shocked the world by having a full conversation while making a cup of coffee, understanding nuance and context. And Boston Dynamics has retired its hydraulic robots for fully electric ones that move in ways humans can't. The secret sauce is embodied AI. Instead of writing code for every single movement, these robots learn by watching video. They understand physics and cause and effect the same way a child does. If you tell them, "I'm hungry," they know to hand you an apple, not because of code, but because they understand the concept of hunger. This changes the economy forever. These robots target the 3DS of labor: dull, dirty, and dangerous. We are seeing the first deployments in car factories like BMW and Mercedes.
With a target price of $20,000, less than a car, we are looking at a future of near-infinite, affordable labor. But what happens to the human workforce when the robot is cheaper than the minimum wage?
We are not just building workers, we are building companions. The dream of a robot butler folding your laundry is no longer 50 years away. It might be 5. This is AI Simplified. Like and subscribe to meet your future roommate.